Say cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger.
Say hi, Nana.
Na.
Hi, Pop. Hi, Grandpa Joe.
Hi, Susu.
Say, say, I'm having a happy day.
Happy day.
Good. What do you want to tell all the people that are praying for you and loving on you?
You say thank you.
What do you want to say?
Say thank you.
You want to
You
say hi? You can say hi. Did you get a new kidney?
No.
No? What's that on your belly?
Scar
What's on your
tells a
tummy?
different story.
Is that your scar? Mm-hmm. Where's Jerry?
That's Jerry.
There's Jerry right here.
No, that's Jerry,
Oh.
Daddy.
This
I'm sorry,
is Jerry.
is that Jerry? This is Jerry Jr.?
No. That's not Jerry.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say see you later, alligator. Oh! Did you have a tutor?
Both, yeah. Came out both hands.
Did you have a tutor?
Yeah.
What do you say? What do you say?
Sure.
Excuse me. Yep, that's what we say.
Excuse me.
Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Night-night. Seep-seep. Bye-bye.
Honey, bye-bye.
He's got it down.
Okay.